Welcome to e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Flashcard exercise using H5P. The flashcard content type is a set of cards containing a picture on one side of the card and a corresponding text on the other side. The learner is asked to type a word or expression corresponding to the picture before turning the card over and revealing the correct answer. In this video, you will learn how to prepare flashcard exercise using H5P. So let's go to h5p.org in our web browser. I have already opened h5p.org in my Google Chrome. As you already created account, so click login. Put the username or email address here. Password. Click login. You can create new account in H5P either by clicking try out H5P or by clicking contents and then clicking create new content. As you can see here, all the content types that are available in H5P are listed out here. So let's click flashcards. Flashcards exercise is also supported by a tutorial and an example. Let's continue with the exercise. Let the title of the exercise be Plant Parts. You can give task description if you wish. You can add as many questions in the flashcard activity. Let's go to the first flashcard. We have to type the question here. Identify the plant part. Answer, stem. Let's add image. It's always advisable that you have all the images already saved in a folder so that you can quickly upload the images in this exercise. So I've already saved the images in the folder. I'll upload the images from there. So click add. The image is being uploaded. If you wish, you can edit image, you can replace image, you can give tip also if you wish to. It's your choice, you are to make the answer case sensitive or not, but it is always advisable not to make the answer case sensitive. That means if you have put the answer in small letters and if students put the same answer in capital letters, then it will be marked wrong as you have made this case sensitive. So it is always advisable not to tick case sensitive. Let's add another card. Again, identify the plant part. Answer is root. The relevant image be uploaded from the folder which you have already saved in the computer. Now I wish to add only 2 questions. So I'll press save button. Let's see how this exercise looks like to the students. So you see here a colorful flashcard appears before the student and the students will obviously like colorful flashcards coming one after the other. Here they can write answer and check also. Next. So this is how the students can attempt flashcard activity. You can add it also. If you wish to delete some flashcards or add some other cards, so you can add as many cards in this activity. And for sharing with the students, you just copy this unique URL for this particular exercise and share the link with the students while you are taking online classes or give it as a homework. Students having the link can attempt and check answers online.